appreciate that welcome, Tom. I hope everybody's doing well out there today. Can you all see my camera? I'm sharing my screen, but I can't see me. So,
Yes.
okay, perfect. In the nursery. So let's see if we can get the kids down before naps with no storms. Okay. So hi, we're Ziptility, and we want you to meet one of our heroes, Danny. Danny is a certified water and wastewater operator in small town Indiana. And Danny could live in other places or get other jobs, but Danny chooses to stick around because he knows if he doesn't step into this infrastructure crisis, his town will no longer be a place for him and his grandbabies to continue to live. Danny is an exceptional talent. He's a blue-collar MacGyver, we like to call him. And any given day, he's in the water treatment plant facility. He's flushing hydrants like you see him doing here, and he's digging holes in the ground with excavators and backhoes. But Danny is not the exception. He's the norm. 48,000 water systems in the United States are ran by someone like Danny. But Danny is stressed out because like most small other utility operators, Danny is maintaining a widespread infrastructure with a small or shrinking revenue base. He has high turnover amongst his employees that are old and are aging, and he's maintaining his utility with outdated paper records. Danny is constantly playing defense. On his street, the house that he lives on, literally they had their 5th main break this year and he still doesn't know why. They had a water leak lawsuit because water had been leaking into a woman's yard for 25 years and they didn't know about it. It sunk the entire yard. A contractor that they were working with also hit one of their main lines and it shut down the Starbucks, McDonald's, and Ruby Tuesdays in their town for 3 days. Yikes. So how will Danny get ahead? Let me tell you. A groundbreaking predictive AI machine learning platform that uses innovative proprietary technology to optimize utility performance and recommend intelligent labor processes in real time. Okay, let's be real. That's not what's going on. The problem is simple. There's information that someone knows and someone needs it. Like, where is the asset? What is the asset? What's been done to it? Who done it? In the case of the Starbucks and the McDonald's, they didn't know where the asset was because they didn't have a live representation of where that asset had been moved when a contractor before had worked on it. The 5th main break on his street happened because they were pumping too much pressure in a 2-inch dead end line that was supposed to be a 6-inch line. The 25-year lawsuit happened because they didn't have well-documented processes in their apps and technology to say how many valve turns something took to turn it off. And this cost them $600,000 in unplanned emergency spend, and they have a revenue base of just $1 million. So why are there no solutions out there for Danny? Well, the existing tools are powerful, but expensive, license-based, require IT and programming ability for them to work. And Danny is a lot of things, but I will tell you, IT guy ain't it. And I don't have to describe to you why paper isn't a good strategy to operate your utility. So at Ziptility, we believe that there can be powerful enterprise solutions as simple as paper. Ziptility is the infrastructure management app for crews. And we made it for the people who are wearing gloves or who have worn gloves because they hold the keys to the knowledge and the information that the utilities need to operate efficiently. 85 to 95% of a utility operator or field staff's day is spent from somewhere that is not a desk and away from a computer. So we give teams the ability to operate and manage their entire utility without a computer at all. Real-time updates, no more data downloads, no more nightly syncs. Information is updated soon as the work happens. An all-in-one experience. Ziptility combines locates, mapping, asset management, and service orders all into one intuitive single app. No more point solutions to do 5 different things. And it's built specifically for utilities, so it works right out of the box with no customization. You can get up and running in seconds. One of the things that we're proud of is in light of all the things going on with COVID-19, our customers have not seen a hiccup because they're actually able to do all of their work with Ziptility across our web and mobile devices without ever stepping into the office or actually talking and interacting with each other. 2 of our favorite customers, some of our quotes, Scott from LeGros said, if you can use Facebook, you can use Ziptility. Very common for our users to be on Facebook. Ellis Water, he said, we can do a whole day's work without making a single trip to the office, and that's true. Larry is a retired pilot who's 75 years old who works in their system, and him and their office lady actually completed 100 tasks yesterday. No kidding, that's a real stat. So Ziptility, why are we able to attack the industry with different in a different way, because we come with a different mindset, skill set, and tool set to the water industry. We don't have water backgrounds, and so we're looking at the problems with a unique, fresh, and novel way. Jeff, our finance guy, ran one of the largest greeting card companies in the country, and he was a CFO for that before he sold it, and is a tenured professor at IU University. Douglas Dayhoff ran one of the biggest breweries in Indiana and is the CEO of a biomedical company. Ruben was a chief data officer for Ray Dalio's Bridgewater and built all of the algorithms for State Farm's Safe Driver program. What has been our go-to-market strategy? It's been through direct sales so far, and now we're laying in channel partners, and we're excited to go to our first events ever, but that looks like it won't be happening as regularly now. Our license model is a SaaS recurring annual subscription, and utilities are able to deploy our solution fast because we have unlimited licenses and unlimited users and devices that can use our system. So we're coming in at 10x to even more cheaper than the traditional solutions out there, and we're able to land and expand through multiple products with multiple nodes. And it's working. In the last 6 months, we've added 11 customers, 70K in ARR, and over 500,000 assets on the platform. We have lofty goals, but we believe that they're achievable. We want to get to 75 customers and 300K in ARR this year, and we're doing that with a team of 3 so far. So really proud of our progress. What are we looking for? And I mind you, hopefully you don't have hairy chest, but this could be you. We're looking for non-Midwest pilot customers, people in different regions and geographies, places for us to expand. We're looking to partner and deploy our technology at different places. And again, we have 27 paying customers. So this is a commercial product that's being used for on average 3 to 4 hours a day by our utility customers. Secondly, if you're an engineering firm, we are creating the Procore for water utilities, the digital twin for our era that you and your customers can interact on a live data and asset management map on the same time. And thirdly, if you're a part of the Imagine H2O ecosystem, we would love for you to be a part of what we're doing. We would love to integrate your system. Our map is live, it works, and we would love to bring in other data sources. So please email me for partnership inquiries. Ziptility is the infrastructure management app for crews. Don't be the before guy, be the after guy. Thank you.